Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit font size in Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your workspace with all the charts and trading tools, you'll want to locate a chart where you'd like to adjust the font size. This could be any chart that's currently open in your workspace. Now, right-click directly on the chart you've selected. This action will bring up a context menu with various options for customizing your chart settings. From this menu, you'll see several tabs at the top of the window that appears. Click on the Common tab to access the general chart properties. This section contains fundamental settings that control how your chart displays information, including the scale and sizing options. Once you're in the Common tab, look for an option labeled Scales Points per Bar. This setting is what controls the spacing and ultimately affects how large the text and numbers appear on your chart. You'll notice there's a checkbox next to this option. Go ahead and click on this checkbox to enable the feature. By activating this setting, you're telling Metatrader 5 that you want to manually control the point density on your chart, which directly impacts readability. After checking the box, a new field will appear right below it labeled Points per Bar. This is where you can input your desired value to adjust the font size. In this field, enter a number like 10, or you can experiment with different values depending on your preference and screen resolution. Lower numbers will make the font appear larger, while higher numbers will make it smaller. This customization is particularly useful if you're working on a high-resolution monitor or if you need better visibility for certain chart elements. Once you've entered your preferred value, click the OK button to apply your changes. The chart will immediately update to reflect the new font size settings you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the font size in Metatrader 5 by modifying the points per bar setting, making your charts easier to read and more comfortable to work with. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.